This is my bird adaptation song to the tune of Staying Alive by the Bee Gees. Well, you can tell by the way we flock together, we're a mixed flock, many kinds of feathers, so diverse and species rich, all through the winter, without a hitch. Well, it's alright, it's okay, you can fly the other way. Our flight is strong, we understand, mixed species flock have the upper hand. Whether you're a big bird or whether you're a small bird, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the cold weather and shaking your face, you're staying alive, staying alive. Adaptations, staying alive, staying alive. Adaptations, staying alive. Well, the little kinglet, the gold-crowned kinglet, puts on a weight, a lot of weight. Insulation is the way for this little bird to be able to stay. Body fat goes over wings and tail. The gold-crowned kinglet can never fail. Whether you're a big bird or whether you're a small bird, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the cold weather and shaking your face, you're staying alive, staying alive. Adaptations, staying alive, staying alive. Adaptations, staying alive. While these other birds look like nutcrackers, are real smart and real night packers. They store their seeds inside a cache and always remember their secret stash. To crack the nuts, they use their beaks. It's good enough to get the treats. Well, you can